Hey everyone, good morning, welcome back to my channel Artepics. I am Payal. In this video, I'm going to share with you another mandala art on black paper. It is a very easy and beginner friendly mandala art, and here I also create a border around the paper. This border is also very easy to make. I hope you like this drawing and you also enjoy it. If you like it, then please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and do comment below. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hey, subscription is free, then please subscribe it. Okay? Thank you in advance. Hey, I have an Instagram account where I post all the final outcomes of my drawing. Please have a look and follow me there. I put that link in my description box and also mention on my screen. Thank you for watching until the end. Again, if you don't want to miss any of my upcoming videos, then please subscribe to my channel and be a part of my family. See you in my next video. Until then, bye.